Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do weekly reading for Virgo Earth sign for the month of November, and this is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone, and take what resonate and leave the rest. This is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So Virgo, let's see your messages. Your first card, Tower. Eight of Cups, Seven of Cups. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, water energy. I think there is separation, most of you guys. Yeah, for some there is no contact or less contact between both of you. One person is walked away from this connection. It could be you or your person Virgo, definitely, because Eight of Cups with Tower, definitely there is separation. Some tower moment in your connection. Yeah, I either one person feeling this tower moment right now because due to separation between both of you. And Seven of Cups, definitely I think one of the reason for separation is one person seeing other options due to third party situation also. Yeah, one person is walked away in this connection. It could be your person energy, could be vice versa. So let's see some more what is going. Nine of Wands, Ace of Pentacles, Six of Cups. Yeah, I think right now one person in this connection is guarded. I think it could be you or your person. Definitely they are guarded up. One person is guarded up. I think the walked away person who walked away in past, that person keeping their heart, protect their heart. Right now they are protecting their heart. Yeah. But now other person want reconciliation because Six of Cups with Ace of Pentacles. Definitely the other person want reconciliation. Now they want to offer long-term commitment to their person. It could be your person. But in past there is no equal give and take. Whatever maybe the reason the separation had happened. But now the person coming back with strong offer and they want reconciliation. And you both have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other. You or your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. More water energy in this reading. Ace of Swords, Four of Swords, Three of Swords. I think you not talking to your person right now. There is no contact, definitely, because there is separation also. Because Four of Swords with Three of Swords. One person is heartbroken. Yeah. They're very, very sad. They're in so much pain. It could be you or your person energy, could be vice versa. And this person is not talking to their person, but one person want reconciliation and they want to communicate the other person. Truth coming out, and this person want to express their feelings to their person. And this time they want to be honest because Ace of Swords means honest communication. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Let's see. Ten of Pentacles, Three of Cups, Hangman. Yeah, Hangman in reverse. Definitely now your person, one person undergoing the healing process. They don't want to talk with the other person, but the other person want reconciliation and they want to offer stability, long-term commitment. They want to offer everything. And Three of Cups with Ten of Pentacles, definitely this person want to offer stability and this person want reconciliation. They are very, very sad without their person. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future action. Then we will get more clarity who that person is. So your person current feelings towards you, Virgo. Queen of Cups. Sorry guys. Queen of Cups, your person current feelings. The Moon, Ten of Wands. Yeah, your person has strong emotions for you, but still your person juggling between, I think they are thinking about disturbances between both of you. The moon, definitely there is no understanding still between both of you, still you are in separation. And Ten of Wands, they are feeling overburdened. When they are thinking about you, they're feeling overburdened. For some time they're feeling scared also, but they have strong emotions for you. So let's see your person near future actions towards you. Princess of Cups, Ace of Swords, Three of Wands. And this could be long distance relationship. You or your person could be living in different states, different countries and different cities. And Ace of Swords is Princess of Cups. Definitely your person want you back. Definitely Ace of Swords, they want a new beginning and they want to express their feelings this time. Yeah, communication, they want to communicate you, but you are undergoing some healing process. You don't want to talk anyone. Energy could be vice versa, take what resonate. But your person feeling a lot of emotions for you, because Two Cups is here, Princess of Cups and Queen of Cups. Definitely they are feeling strong emotions for you and they want new beginnings and they want to express their honest feelings to you. And Three of Wands, I think you turn your back. Definitely this could be long distance relationship also. You person waiting for the right moment, waiting is going, waiting game is going in this connection. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. But your person has strong emotions. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future. Judgment. Wow. Four of Swords. Devil, Eight of Swords. I think the connection in near future also may be sometime stuck. Yeah, you both will be stuck or one person is stuck. I think it could be you, Virgo. You are stuck right now because you are not you don't want to talk to your person right now because you are undergoing some healing process. You are spiritually awakening and stuckness. Definitely you may be stuck. I think energy could be vice versa, take what resonate. And the Devil energy and Judgment. Definitely your person is obsessed over you and they want second chance. There is no doubt about it. They want to express their feelings because they have very strong emotions for you, Virgo. But you are undergoing some healing process. Definitely you don't want to talk with your person. It is clear you or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. But Judgment, definitely near future there will be some communication, but it will take some time because right now the one person in this connection is stuck. And you or your person could be Capricorn also. So let's see your overall energy for the week, Virgo. Ten of Cups, Five of Swords, Two of Wands and Five of Pentacles. Definitely there is separation. And Two of Wands, you are thinking about your person a lot. Five of Swords, lot of disputes fighting between you and your person. And Ten of Cups, definitely you expect this from your person, but your person in past they didn't offer what you want, what you deserve. Then there is separation is happened and you walked away from your person. Now your person want you back and want to offer this Ten of Cups happiness to you. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius and Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's see your person overall energy for the week, Virgo. Ten of Cups. Yeah, you both have same. See here. And Eight of Cups and Nine of Cups are Chariot. Yeah, definitely they want to take this relationship to next level. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Cancer. They're wishing for this connection. And Eight of Cups, I think your person may be walked away. Energy could be vice versa, take what resonate. Because this is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. And Ten of Cups, definitely at the end of the day, they want to offer this happiness to you. And they want a happy family with you, Virgo. Yeah, they want you back. They want to take things to next level. They are wishing for this connection. You are their wish fulfillment. Nine of Cups is here. So a lot of water energy. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching me and supporting my videos. Bye.